More trouble for the government. The Congress is now preparing to move an adjournment motion on the issue of release of Masrat Alam, separatist leader in Jammu and Kashmir. The Congress party has given a notice for the same. A united opposition is also planning to raise the issue in both houses of parliament. The Congress also wants the question hour to be suspended so that there can be a discussion on why this man you see on your television screen, Masrat Alam, he's been in jail since 2010. Why was he suddenly released? He was seen as a threat to peace in Jammu and Kashmir. Omar Abdullah government kept him in jail from 2010 till 2015 when the Mufti Mohammad Saeed government suddenly decided to release him, calling him a political prisoner. I want to quickly bring in Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu for more on this. Kamal, take us through the opposition strategy and the government's defense.
Well, Gaurav, Congress has moved an adjournment motion for suspension of question hour. They would want to grill the government on Masrat Alam issue. Now, many are obviously seeing the PDP, BJP government was a government of convenience. It was for hunger for power. But definitely at this point of time, Rajnath Singh is extremely busy. He's being briefed by a posse of officials, which will include the Home Secretary himself, who was briefing, and obviously the report was sought from Jammu and Kashmir government on the same Masrat Alam release. And remember, this is obviously going to be a controversial point. We do expect a lot of heat to be generated in the parliament session, not just on land, on the ordinance and the Deepapar issue, but definitely on Masrat Alam issue. The Congress is obviously trying to corner the government, and it's going to be very difficult for the BJP, and they have taken a very hardline stance as far as separatists are concerned, and we've seen that throughout during their election. They were obviously trying to sway away from the separatists and saying there's no need to talk to them. There is a democracy in place.
Yes.
So yes, this is something which is going to hurt the BJP, but that at this point of time, they're really preparing. And if required, Rajnath Singh will be prepared to make that statement in the House.
Okay, Rajnath Singh, even as we speak, we are told Rajnath Singh is being briefed by a number of top officials in the Ministry of Home Affairs.